Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's workout is a 12 minutes HIIT workout that's gonna burn heaps of calories. It is short, but trust me, it is going to burn. There's also no jumping, low impact variations included. So yeah, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, we've got 18 exercises today, 30 seconds each exercise and 10 seconds rest in between. Let's start with high knees. Raise those knees up to your hips level as fast as you can. There's going to be no jumping, low impact variations for each exercise, so no excuses to stop guys. Just do the low impact when you're tired. Next, we've got burpees. I want you to go as explosive as you can for this HIIT workout, guys. It's just 12 minutes, but we're going to torch as much calories. Push yourself, but don't overdo it. Know your limits.
I'll hold you close through the night. I won't let go until the sunrise. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape.
Skater hops are next. Remember to engage that core as you hop from side to side. And if you're not wearing proper footwear, please do take care of your ankles.
These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape. Let's escape. Let's escape.
In and out squats are next. Alright, time to speed things up with some jumping jacks. This will bring your heart rate up really fast, but remember to stay safe.
Where'd you draw the line for humanity? Catastrophes killing us. And kills go down tonight. Get yourself prepared. I can feel it running through me. The adrenaline, like an alien. Go ahead and blast my head on. I don't care.
Now get on the ground, we've got some groiners next. Make sure you engage that core and make full use of each rep, guys. Alright, great work guys. Now time for another round of high knees. Keep pushing guys. Next, we've got star jumps. We've got a bit of recovery after this, so I need you to give it all you can and make every jump count. Make it explosive, but please stay safe. Alright, time for some jump ropes. We're almost halfway through the workout, guys. You got this. And now we've got another round of high knees. Alright, get on the ground. We've got some tricep pulse with prep kicks. No reason to give up now, gotta work those arms. Next, get on a high plank and bring one leg to the other side, almost like a corkscrew. Okay, I'm gonna need you guys to push a little harder again. We've got some burpees with push-up next. If you can't do the push-up, just do regular burpees or slow burpees. Just don't give up.
Choppers, better cut those risks. Hold one of my fists, we fire starters. Let's go. One out of a million will reach those heights. Always had a feeling that I won't deny that work. Never could toss. Look at my eyes, I'm on the rise.
Alright, now we've got some jumping lunges. If you need to slow down, that's totally fine. Just do some regular lunges.
Draw the line for humanity. Catastrophes killing us. And kids go down tonight. Get yourself prepared.
Next, we've got some jumping jacks. Really easy, just 4 more exercises to go. Alright, get on a plank again, we've got mountain climbers. Okay, next we've got some high kicks. Just one more exercise to go after this, guys. Don't give up now, you're this close. Alright, I saved the best for last. We've got burpees with tuck jump now. Give it all you got, guys. Let's torch those calories. And that's the workout, guys. I hope you're super proud for getting through this one. I struggled as well and it was tough, but it's so worth it. Please do smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next workout. Bye!